Hello everybody, it is training weekend number 2 and I'm currently on a place called Alderford Lake near Whitchurch. I spent the day yesterday at Winsford, so this video will consist of footage from both locations. I was out with Debbie for a lesson yesterday. That'd be my 3rd lesson. I'm kind of out solo today, but I've come to quite a busy lake. So I did a couple of miles yesterday, 2.5 miles over about an hour and a half at Winsford. Went a little bit down the River Weaver with Debbie, so no great distance yet, just get used to being on the board, working on my balance. I'm still very wobbly at times. Next week's plan will be, we're up in the Lake District, so we're going to go to Coniston. I'm down in Llyn in Wales at the end of May, so we'll be doing a session there. We're going, probably by then I should have a touring board, so we'll be looking at paddling a decent distance on Llyn. That's probably going to be my first weekend of doing any great distance, but for now we'll just get used to the balancing and paddling around and just confidence out on the water. Right, time to do some standing, I think. So out with me today, I've got my partner Heather with me. She's out with Debbie at the moment. So Heather's just got to her feet for the first time, which is absolutely incredible. So I'm just leaving her to it. I'm going to paddle along. Floor is 4 inches thinner, so it'll be harder for balancing. It's a lot easier paddling. A lot faster on the water as well.